John Disterdick with Automated Rubber Recycling. The tire you're about to observe here has been partially soaked with our softening solution, and as you can see, with a fairly small water pressure machine, we have been able to knock off the crumb rubber. The nylon is completely intact. You can see that the metal has been cleaned of any kind of rubber, and the nylon itself can be cleaned off, and we can actually blow the rubber right off of both the nylon and the steel. Thereby we can recover the crumb rubber without any contamination from nylon or steel. This same tire that was only soaked in this area, when we put that same pressure on this part of the tire, it did nothing. Completely, the tire remained as is. So you can see how the effect of softening the tire and then using high pressure water as opposed to a tire that has not been softened. The impact is dramatic. What we have here is a tire that's been soaked a longer period of time. We're going to shoot it with 3,000 pound pressure washer and see the effects on this tire. Here you can see that the bead is completely washed clean. These individual strands, you can see in there, completely knocks out all the crumb rubber. The bead, which of course is the strongest part of the tire, and completely eliminates the crumb rubber from that bead. And inside, again, you can see the nylon. The nylon is just staying intact right there, the nylon, and of course the steel, clean, completely clean. Nylon intact, bead intact, all the crumb rubber off. What we've got here is a tire that has not been soaked on this side, or very little, a little bit of exposure to the solution, and on this side it was soaked. Obviously you can tell the difference of what's the softening of the rubber as opposed to this tire has only been soaked in this very lower portion for 4 hours. So we have just a small portion that has been soaked, the rest that has not been in the solution. We're just going to put some pressure on this unsoaked. You can see that it really hasn't altered the shape of the tire, but we're going to just put some pressure on the part that's been soaked, and then we'll also put some pressure on the side that has not been soaked, and you can just see the difference.